Hello children, today we will do the book exercise of lesson 5 of grammar, that is pronouns. We know what is a pronoun. The words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. Okay, this we have already studied. So we will start with the book exercise, page number 23. First one, A part is underline the pronouns in the following sentences. So you have to simply underline it. Okay. The girl was crying for she had lost her toy. Now, what is the pronoun here? She. And it is used for which noun? It is used for girl. So you underline she. The postman brings us our mail. Here what is the pronoun? Us. Underline us. You must sweep the floor because it is dirty. Underline it. It stands for what? It stands for floor. Okay. So you underline it. We are going to watch a play. Rajiv is acting in it. Now again it. Here it stands for what? Play. Okay. So you underline the pronoun it. 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 Fifth one. Rana took the dog to a vet. It was limping badly. Underline it. Here it stands for what? It stands for the dog. He told me that he was ill. Now here there are three pronouns. First you underline he, the first he. Second one is me, and again third one is he. So he, me, he. These are the pronouns in this. 7. I told them that they must not make such a noise. Now here again three pronouns. I, first person, I is the pronoun. Them is the pronoun, and they is also the pronoun. I, them, they. These are the pronouns. The gate was closed, but the guard opened it for us. Now here what is the pronoun? It and us. Both are pronouns. You must obey the rules of the road. Here what is the pronoun? You is the pronoun. 10. The guests said that it was a wonderful party. Now what is the pronoun here? It. It is the pronoun. So in the first sentence, she. Second, us. Third, it. Fourth, again it. Fifth, it. Sixth, he, me, he. 7. I, them, they. 8. It, us. 9. You. And 10. It. Now children, come to B part. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Dash has lent his pen to Mary. Now his pen means male person is there. So you write he. First one is he has lent his pen to Mary. Second, did Dash read the book that I gave you? So did you read the book that I gave you? So write you. Our teacher told us to do our homework. Okay. Our teacher told us. Write us. U-S, us. The boys were happy for they were going on a picnic. T-H-E-Y. They. Because there are means plural, so we will use they. Turn the page. Fifth one. The magician showed us how to make a coin disappear. Okay. Write us. U-S, us. Ajit threw the ball to Dave, but he, H-E, he could not catch it. So first dash you write he, and second dash you write it. Please give me, M-E, me, some water. I am very thirsty, said the man. So when you write me and second dash you write I. 8. He is proud of his new bat and always plays with it. Write it. 9th one. Have you, write Y-O-U, you taken all your books? Mother asked Jim. 10. Rita sang a sad song, but everybody liked it. Okay. So again I am repeating. Number 1, he. Number 2, you. Number 3, us. Number 4, they. Number 5, us. Number 6, he and it. Number 7, me and I. Eighth one is it. Number 9, you. And number 10, it. Now we come to page number 25, C1. Rewrite the following sentences replacing nouns with pronouns wherever possible. Now children, see here you have to rewrite the sentence, okay? Means you have to write the sentence in full sentence form. So first one is, Reema told her mother that Reema had a new friend, Anjali. So instead of repeating Reema again, what can we use? She. So we can write like this. Reema told her mother that she had a new friend, Anjali. Okay, so you write she in place of Reema. Aesop wrote many stories. The stories became very popular. So instead of repeating the stories, what we can write? They, because it is plural, so we will not use it, we will use they. Aesop wrote many stories. They became very popular. So children, like this in the full sentence form you have to write. So 2 sentences I have written just to show you what you mean by rewrite. Okay. Next I will tell you and you can write. You have seen tigers and lions. Lions and tigers belong to the family of cats. So what you can write? You have seen tigers and lions. They. Again, instead of repeating lions and tigers, what can we write? They. So they belong to the family of cats. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is in Nepal. So instead of repeating Mount Everest again, what you can write? It. So it is like this. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. It is in Nepal. Okay. Do not eat that mango. That mango is not ripe. So what you will write? Do not eat that mango. It is not ripe. Okay. Instead of repeating that mango again, what pronoun we can use? It. Ram loves music. Ram is learning to play the sitar. So again Ram is repeated, so we can use he. Ram loves music. He is learning to play the sitar. Turn your page. The king spoke to his people. The king told the people to be brave. Now what you will write? The king spoke to his people. He told them. Instead of the king, what you will write? He. And instead of the people, what you will write? Them. So write, the king spoke to his people. He told them to be brave. The room was empty. The room had no furniture. So what you can write? The room was empty. It had no furniture. So you will write it. The lake is full of fish, but nobody is allowed to catch the fish. So what you can write? The lake is full of fish, but nobody is allowed to catch them. Okay. Rita promised that Rita would get up early every morning. So Rita promised that she would get up early every morning. Robin Hood was an outlaw, but Robin helped the poor. So Robin Hood was an outlaw, but he helped the poor. The moon is a satellite. The moon goes round the earth. So what you can write? The moon is a satellite. It goes round the earth. The Nile is the longest river in the world. The Nile is in Africa. So we write, the Nile is the longest river in the world. It is in Africa. You write it. Romulus and Remus were brothers. Romulus and Remus had been brought up by a boat. Romulus founded Rome and Romulus was its first king. Now listen very carefully how we will write. Romulus and Remus were brothers. They had been brought up by a boat. Instead of Romulus and Remus, what you write? They. They had been brought up by a boat. Romulus founded Rome and he was its first king. Okay. Romulus founded Rome and he was its first king. 15. The Greeks sailed to Troy. The Greeks fought with the Trojans for 10 years. So what you write? The Greeks sailed to Troy. They fought with the Trojans for 10 years. Okay, children. So in this way you will write, rewrite means you will write in the full sentence form. Thank you.